live with you guys. Okay, so basically, we are going to do scalping on the 15 minutes time frame as the biggest time frame, and we're gonna use the 1 minute time frame for our executions. So our smallest time frame is the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so when you look closely, you can say that the price is bearish. The order flow, we trade with our order flow when we are doing scalping. So it's bearish. I can draw my trend lines. Excuse me. So it's all bearish, if you can see, and well, there is some kind of liquidity below. There is this two relatively equal lows. Okay, so I expect the price to be bearish for now. Okay, so on this level, from this blue level that is down here, and then this upper level, we are going to sell all the way up to this blue level that is down, meaning that my entries are going to be in the 1 minute time frame. I can drop down into the 5 minute time frame for maybe something like a market structure shift, but anyway, that's not so important. Let me just go straight to 1 minute time frame. Okay, so you like the live, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the lives. Okay, okay, it's almost. Our target is to sell from this level to this level. That's the target. So anything below can be extra pips, but the main target is this level. All right. We are just waiting for a simple move. Okay, we hold. Okay, so let me prepare my lot sizes. I'm going to be using 0.05. Okay, we wanna grow this account as soon as possible. So for if you're trading like $10, you can trade using 0.01. If you're trading like $200, you can use 0.10 or one full lot size. Okay. Okay, so we now start to see it rolling down, dropping down. We are on. Okay, there we go. There we go. This is the initial level that we are trading to. Okay, so now it has started rolling down just a bit. Inside. All right, so we're into it. It's a bit up, but we still continue holding. It is showing that it's very bullish, but the order flow is bearish. So we still hold. So as you can see, I am using $10 and I'm sticking to that. Okay, so let me jump straight to the charts again. Okay, so if you've just joined, well, we can go back into the 15 minutes time frame, and when you look closely, we are scalping, so we use the 15 minutes time frame as our biggest time frame. So we draw our trend line, and it's showing that it's bearish. Okay, so the only thing that can change is if it goes just above this blue line or blue level. That's when we expect it to reverse. But for now, we are expecting the price to be bearish. Okay. Now we use the 1 minute time frame for our executions. Okay, so we just wait for some kind of market structure shift. So if it goes just below this level, I can expect the price to be more aggressive on the downside. This is what we are waiting for. So if it goes below this, then I'm going to execute live. Okay. Ta-da-da-ta-ta. Okay, guys, get ready with your brokers. We are ready to do the stuff. Okay, here we go. We just want it to rally down. Okay, so if you've just joined, please don't forget to like the live. And I'm going to be doing this almost every day, like at least 5 times, no, 4 to 3 times in a week. So it gives me more energy. If you guys, like this, if you guys like the live, and then subscribe to the channel in order not to miss. Okay, stay tuned in. Stay in. Just waiting for that level. Now it's showing some kind of aggression. It's being bullish, bearish now, as you can see. So we're just waiting for this clear level that is in. Once it crosses that level, then we are in. And it has to close with a body, not with a wick. Okay. For mentorship program, well, I'm not doing any mentorship program. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing paid mentorship program. Everything that I post is free here on YouTube. Okay, so it's actually very aggressive now. I don't know. Let me check back. Okay, we're still locked in. This was for yesterday. We actually made a lot of money from this move. So now we are trying to capitalize on this. Okay, here we go. So now it has created another low. All I have to do is to move this level up to there. So once it breaks below this level, that's when I'm going to enter my sales. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it has done some kind of rejection here. We still hold, be patient, guys. Okay, so here we go. It is now going to go. Remember, our target is just on this low that is here. This is our major target. Once this is hit, well, we are out, and we are going to be out with maybe $500. That's what I'm trying to risk. I'm trying to grow this account from $100 to 500. Yesterday I did $10 to 100. If you were there yesterday, well, you actually enjoyed the life. Now today we are growing that same $100 to $500. Yes, I know it's almost closing below this low. It has to be with the body entirely. Okay, go. Okay, there we go. There we go. So, mm, you see what I can see in this price? It is actually trying to grab some liquidity. It is showing people, some buyers, that there is still some hope for them. Meanwhile, trapping them. So there it might be trapping some buyers. But actually, we are sticking to our plan, which is to sell. You can see that it's even losing momentum on the upside. Okay, all I want is a simple bearish closer. Then I stack in my sales. Okay, it's almost. Okay, there we go. It has crossed. So I'm ready to stack in my positions, guys. So I have to wait it to retrace in a bit so that I stack in my sales. Oh my God. Oh God. Let me use 5 lot size. Okay, now I stack in my sales. There we go. I can stack in some more here. Okay. Okay. I'm holding this. Okay. All right. So now I can add in some more from here. I'm going to hold this. Okay. I'm holding this. It's now going to be aggressive on the downside. We are in, down by $13. I don't care about the equity. Okay, now it's going to go. It's going to drop. There we go. See? I told you. Just trust the shit. Trust the process. Okay, so our target is very simple. It has to go all the way up to here. This is my main target. Okay. But from this very target, I'm planning to actually close for some big moves, then retracements. In retracements, I can add in more positions so that I can grow this fast in only this particular move. Okay, so there we go. Oh God, we are down $16. Oh man, $25. Let's chill. Let's chill. Let's chill. Let's chill. Let's chill. Let's chill the shit. Is there anything to be worried about? No. No way. Okay, we go. Okay, so I can scale in more positions by adding 0.01. If I see that it's actually going, I can scale. I can add in more positions here. Yeah. I'm just not afraid. Oh man, what the fuck? We hold, we hold. Maybe it's because of this bearish order block that is right here. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. Price had to tap into this. So, but now here's the initial move. Okay, you can see that it's actually trying to create highs and lows, lower highs and lower lows. No, sorry, lower highs and lower lows. Exactly. It's what it's now doing that. Okay, so for those who have just joined into the stream, we're actually trading gold live, and you can see it's all looking so good for now, but we know what we're doing. So I just analyzed the market from the 15-minute time frame, and it shows some kind of bearishness. And in the 5 minutes, it's where we have actually executed our trades from, and we're growing this account from $10 from $100 to $500. Okay, let's hold. Let's hold. Okay, now it's going down. It has started its shit. Yeah. Okay, so now we are no longer worried of what might happen above this because we don't expect to be taken out. All right. The only way we can be taken out is maybe the equity, if we have the low equity to hold this trade. But I'm actually very confident from this level, there's nothing that's going to go above this. I'm so sure. Okay, let's hold, let's hold. Are we going to take partials? No, you can't take partials, but for me, I'm not holding partials. I'm not taking off partials. Reason being, I'm doing full margin. Okay, I'm trying to flip. And you know what it means to flip. You have to go all the way in. Okay, so it's now fighting. They're fighting. Buyers are fighting. They don't want to be taken out. Ooh, whoa, whoa. There's some funny part about trading gold. It's actually this. Take a look at this low. You see the speed that it will take to take out those lows. Oh man. Oh my god. We have just had the margin call actually from the broker, but nothing to worry about. Okay, we hold. Oh god. Oh man. Oh, bro, one move and we are out. I don't know why bro likes to move in this way. It actually scares me a bit. Sometimes it does. Actually, there's a lot of consolidation. I don't know what's going on. I will stick on the cells. Oh God, guys, guys, we just blown the entire account. We just dusted it out. Oh, anyway, guys, as I told you, it's all about ensuring proper risk management. If you don't do proper risk management, well, then you don't. There's no way you're gonna this. There's no way you're gonna win. So the entire account has been blown, but I was trying to flip this. So it doesn't hurt me personally because I was just flipping this. I've been doing this several times. But well, for someone who has been using capital that they can't afford to lose, they are pretty bummed. So see you in the next live. This was my plan, but actually it failed. But I don't think price is going to go above this. If it goes above this blue level, then that changes the entire trading plan. But for now, see you in the next time. Goodbye, folks.